For this video, I am going to teach you how to create tags in ClickUp. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply log in or sign up for an account in ClickUp if you don't have an account yet. And all of the necessary links is available in the description down below. So you can just check those in there. So once you have logged into your account from your homepage, what you need to do is to go to the task or the space first and then the task that you want to add a tag or open a list of tags or tasks. So for example, right here, I have this opened up in my ClickUp. So I have here my space and then the list of my tasks on this section. So now, as you can see or as you can notice that on these two tasks right here, I have different tags for it. So now I'm going to show you how I did that. So I'm going to do that on this tasks right here. So what you need to do is to hover over your task that you want to add your tags. So for example, right here, the research topic tasks. So then what I need to do, so once I hover over that specific task, I'll be able to see this tag button right here or icon. So it will allow me to edit tags or even create new one. So once you click onto it, this is what you should be able to see. So you can search or create a new tag right here. So for example, I'm going to create a new tag that is named blue, or I'm just going to type in blue, hit enter on my keyboard. And if I want to edit the details of it, for example, the color or even rename it, what I need to do is to click onto it again, and then I'll be able to rename and change the color of it. So for example, I want to change the color. So I'm just going to do that again. Click onto the three that's icon situated on the right side. And then what you need to do is to click change color and select the color that you want. So right there, so just click outside the box or outside the tags, and then that tag will be automatically be added to that specific task. So I'm going to do that also on this task right here. So I'm going to select a pre-existing tag, or let us try to create a new one again. I'm going to name it as green. So going to change the color again to green, and there you go. That will be automatically be added to your tasks. So that's basically it. That is how you can create tags for your tasks here in ClickUp. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.